Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa dip for nachos. Gather ripe tomatoes, onion, cilantro, lime, salt, and jalapeno for medium heat. Chop tomatoes and onion into small cubes, finely chop cilantro and jalapeno, then squeeze 1 lime. Mix ingredients in a bowl, season with 1 tsp salt, and adjust to taste. Let salsa rest for 15 minutes so flavors meld. Serve with warm nachos and enjoy a fresh, bright dip. Use a sharp knife and a cutting board to chop ingredients evenly, or pulse briefly in a food processor for a chunkier texture. Toast cumin lightly for a deeper flavor if desired. Always taste and adjust seasoning with salt and lime, adding jalapeno slowly to control heat. Chill salsa for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld, and store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days. Serve salsa at room temperature or slightly chilled to complement warm nachos and melted cheese. Spoon salsa on the side so chips stay crisp, or drizzle lightly over nachos for bold flavor. Try variations like roasted tomato salsa, mango salsa for sweetness, or salsa verde using tomatillos for tang. Garnish with extra cilantro and a lime wedge, and encourage guests to adjust heat level to their preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.